right, so this is example 2 for Algebra A2, Unit 3, Lesson 2 on triangle problems. So in triangle NHG, n is equal to 3x plus 7, h is equal to 4x minus 8, and g is equal to 2x minus 1. The perimeter of this triangle is 79. Find the length of the longest side of this triangle. What name could you give this triangle? Okay, so again, first thing we're determining is this problem talking about sides or is it talking about angles? And based on what the problem is saying and the fact that it gives me the perimeter, this is talking about sides. So I know that the sides add together to give me the perimeter. So side plus side plus side equals the perimeter. So I'm going to use that information to create an equation given the pieces that they have. So they're telling me that one of the sides is that 3x plus 7 plus the other side of 4x minus 8 plus the third side of 2x minus 1. And that whole thing is going to be set equal to what they told me the perimeter was, which was 79. So combine some like terms. 3x plus 4x is 7x plus 2 more is a 9x. 7 minus 8 is a -1, and a -1 minus 1 more leaves us with a -2. Go ahead and isolate that variable by adding that 2 to both sides, leaving me with 9x is equal to 79, 80, 81. Divide both sides by 9 to get an x value of 9. So again, just like in our previous unit, because we found x doesn't mean that we've answered the question entirely. It was asking me to find the length of the longest side, which I'm not really sure which one it is, so just to be safe, I'm going to find the length of all 3 sides. Also, I'm going to need that information to determine the classification of the triangle anyways. 2 and x is 9. So every one of these expressions, I'm replacing that x with the 9. So side n is equal to 3 times 9, which is 27. 27 plus another 7 is 34. Side h is 4 times 9, which is 36. 36 minus 8 gives me 28. And side g is 2 times 9, which is 18, minus 1, which would be 17. So that makes my longest side to be n. This is the longest side. Okay, so then, last but not least for this problem here, I found the length of the longest side. Now I need to figure out what name I could give this triangle. So I'm noticing that I have 3 different or 3 unequal side lengths. That's what I know right now. I don't know anything about the angles, so I can't make any decisions about that. But I do know that I have 3 unequal side lengths, which means 3 unequal sides or no equal sides is a scalene triangle. So 3 unequal side lengths or no equal sides makes this a scalene. Triangle. And that's it, that's all. So you're just paying attention to if you're using angles versus sides and making sure you answer all of the questions.